you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Cena, and I am back with another video. It always seems like when we y'all, we are always somewhere, either the laundromat, the store, running errands, whatever for the kids, whatever. But today we at the laundromat. We had to wash clothes. So yeah, that's our life. But they spend the week with us. They gonna be. Vlog. Oh, you got. Before I forget, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can know when we post. And yeah, y'all just finna spend the week with us.
A few moments later.
It's hours later, y'all. We back home. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Carrying up that basket in that bag, y'all. Came home, chilled for a little bit, ate something, because we ain't ate nothing all day. When I said,
and if you got a Pisces, you know to feed them.
She finna vacuum this couch. We finna clean up a little bit, and then, yeah, we just finna roll with the bunches. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know the vacuum did that. I did not know.
Book our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night.
Okay, babe just finished the couch. It looks better. You did a real good job, babe. Y'all, today is, thank you. Okay, so today is Ratchet Sunday, just like babe said. We was supposed to do prep yesterday, but that didn't happen.
I was tired. I ain't gonna hold you. I was tired.
So, we just came in from the store. Get a few things for today. We cook. Well, I cook. She doing all that. Why are you doing all that for the camera? Yeah, I know, right? I cooked Philly cheesesteak pasta, and we're having garlic bread and salad to go with it, and that's gonna be our little dinner for Sunday. My hair really needs doing, babe. You really need to do my hair. But ooh, I just made it worse. But anyway, yeah, this time.
Yeah, that's on the agenda for tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do that tomorrow. But anyway, y'all, I just came on here to talk to y'all a little bit. We will see y'all later.
Deuce.
I still think.
up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you.
We're watching Betty. Well, we're watching Betty's Gone Wild first. Okay, y'all, this is for dinner. Garlic bread and Philly cheesesteak pasta. Like I said, no salad. But get into it. Bae made these drinks, y'all. So cute.